Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize a Steam profile. So once you go ahead and open up Steam, you want to ensure that you sign into your account first and foremost, and you'll be taken into Steam, right? Now, in order to customize your profile, simply hover over the profile name, which is the custom name that is given to you once you sign in with your account or create an account, as you can see at the top there, and just simple click on profile. Now here, since you don't have a profile, you want to go ahead and customize. It will say set up Steam profile. So simple click on this button to set up a Steam profile. And from here, you'll be taken over to this page here where you can go ahead and make changes to your account. So here you can go ahead and you can change the profile name. You can give a real name. You can have a custom URL. You can set a location, whatever you want, had a description, right? Whatever you want, you can simply go ahead and do so. Then click and save. Now, once you're done, your account will be saved, and that's it. Very easy and very simple. That's how you go ahead and customize your Steam profile. Now you can do additional things as well, guys. You also have an avatar section that you can go ahead and you can add your own avatar. You can upload picture as well. You can change background color. You also have something like a mini profile that you can see. You can change the theme, and also you have badges and so forth, right? So this is how you can easily go ahead and do that, guys. So once you go ahead and go through all the settings here to customize your profile, you just need to click and save in each of those sections, and your profile will be customized. And once you're done, you can simply click go back to your profile, and your profile will be set up. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.